it smells so good. I love it. I love it. I gotta share this with you. What we do using the granada to our diffuser just to bring in natural yummy scents and just make our home smell so good. Do you love for things to smell good and to make you feel good, honey? When things smell good, when your home smells good, when everything around you smells good, including you, baby, queen, king, you feel so much better. What is a royal palace without having it smelling like it is royalty? And so I want to share a few tips with you on how I make our home smell like a beautiful, amazing royal palace that it is. All right, guys. So you're interested in that? Come on in. So another thing I like to do in my home is to make sure that my home smells really great. And so in order to do that, I use essential oils. And so, and I have this beautiful diffuser, and it is by Granada, and I really love it. I love it. I got this one from Walgreens. Of course, Walmart has them. You can get them from Whole Foods and so many other places. They really are nice. And so, yeah. So I just make sure that I use this at home, and once I turn it on, it's like, it's calming, it's relaxing. There's so many different ways to use it, and it just really makes me feel really good. And so, yeah, let me show you some of my essential oils so you can see those, because they're some of my favorite. So first of all, this is the Granada, and it's here. And so you just press this button right here, and that is what turns it on. It has these different colors. It's really beautiful. All right, so my Granada has the button, as you can see, and you can just press that button and it's going to turn on. We'll do that in just a minute. And I got this one from, as I said, I got it from Walgreens. Yeah, I got it from Walgreens. And so it's really nice. These are the little booklets that come with it. Very nice, right? It's a globe diffuser. It's wood. It's sitting on the piano, so I like the wood. And then Granada has all of these essential oils that you can order from them. I used to have this one as well when I bought my daughter one just like that, but I'll link some essential oils, and I'll link maybe not to this Granada, but one, if not this one very similar, and you can get one on Amazon. I do receive just a small little affiliate if you choose to use it. So, all right, and these are my essential oils in this little box. I love this little box. It's just really cute. Either I thrifted it or found it curbside, but these are all my essential oils. Well, some of them. And so I have sweet orange. Is it sweet orange? Yeah. And then lemongrass. There's tangerine. I love the citrus smells. There's a grapefruit. Okay, so I love the citrus. Very nice. Lavender. I'm not really a lavender fan. I might give this one to my daughter. So I'm not really a lavender fan. It can be overpowering for me. There's tea tree. So, if you have colds and flus in the winter, COVID stuff, frankincense, great to open up. There's peppermint. Hubby likes peppermint, but great for colds. There is, let's see, another grapefruit. Let's see. These are the larger ones I do get from Whole Foods. Okay, I get the larger ones from Whole Foods. And then these are the Granada, which you can get from Walmart. You can get these from Walgreens as well, and Amazon. What else do I have? Oh, this is the relaxation one. I love this. It's one of my favorites. Tangerine. I love citrus, y'all. Although the sweet orange and tangerine can be a little bit sweet. This is eucalyptus, great for colds, you know. I'm not trying to, yeah, but anything that's stopped up, you need to open things up, great. Boost your immune system, great. It's another orange. What else? Oh, another peppermint, okay? Great for colds. Oh, lemongrass, did I show y'all that one? My favorite. So lemongrass, grapefruit, a little bit of sweet orange because it can be really sweet and overpowering. Let's see, it's still another grapefruit. Oh, and relaxation. You have to be careful with this. It does make you relax, but it kind of can make my head hurt. So, yeah. When I'm making, you know, putting my oils together, I really have some special things that I like to do. So I'll share that with you. I got this decanter from Goodwill, and so of course I know it's supposed to be wine, but I use it for my water. It sits right here, and then sometimes I'll make up some extra scents, especially if we're gonna have guests and company, and I can just refill it. So I'll just make up some extra, pour my water in and the essential oils, and then I'll have it there. So let's make some. Let's go ahead and get my essential oils going. Let's go ahead and get that going and make our house smell good. So it's really simple. Just take off the top. Let's see if I can get that off. And it's about empty. Okay, so just going to drop and pour in my water. Just gonna pour my water. And you fill it to that little red line there, to the fill line. Okay, so there's a little red line that tells you where to fill it. So you just fill it to there. And then, of course, I like my lemongrass. I'm going to do lemongrass. You're just going to put a few drops in. About 4. 5. Who's counting? And a little sweet orange. Maybe 2. Not too much. My grapefruit. Let's see. Looking for the lemon, y'all, but I don't see it. So maybe it's in the other room. I'll just use a little orange, but usually I will add lemon. But I got the grapefruit, so I'll just add a little orange. Not too much, because the orange can be overpowering. All right. Okay, and that's it. Very simple. Just put the lid back on. And then press this little button here, right here. There's a little button, if you can see it. So I'm press that little button there, and magic. It's gonna come on, and it changes colors, so that's awesome too. Bring it on. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. Aromatherapy is a natural product, so the essential oils are straight from the farm. to you. I'll leave a link below. And this one comes with some essential oil recipe guides, so it's really nice. Guaranata is also a form of aromatherapy. What is aromatherapy? Our modern lifestyles are often filled with stress. Guaranata brings the serenity of aromatherapy directly into your home, car, or office. The result is an aromatic paradise where you can reap the endless benefits by simply breathing. Aromatherapy utilizes naturally extracted aromatic essences from flowers, trees, or seeds. Now, I'm sharing this with you, but this is not a sponsored video. This is not sponsored. I just love aromatherapy, and I love using natural products in my home, so I'm sharing this with you. Yeah, I used to use all of these different sprays, and I did not understand why I kept having headaches, and I was having allergies, and I was having to take all these allergy meds. And so I had to, for a while, just stop even using anything to spray in our home, because the aerosols, the scents would make me have headaches. They would make me be nauseous and feel like I was going to vomit. And then started researching essential oils, and using essential oils helped me, these essential oils, not only do they make our house smell good, but they make me feel better. They open up my sinuses. They keep me, help to keep my immune system boosted. And I just feel better. They calm my mood. They calm my spirit. So there's so many uses for essential oils. And who knew? I was buying all of these things in the stores to make the house, smell good, artificial scents and chemicals that people, companies were mixing. And I just found that living a more natural way of life, the way that our ancestors did, they used to, leave old orange peels and lemon peels in the windows, and even make some of their own sprays. And so now, making lemonade, all those things kind of adds that scent right back in. Adding a little lemon into your dishwater used to, just adds a little, beautiful scent into the home. So they were using natural flowers, lavender and other natural things. And so now we get back to that. We get to get back to what the ancestors did, and to reclaim our heritage, and to reclaim who we are, our royalty, our crown. And that's what this channel is about. Unlocking the secrets of who you are, reclaiming and reconnecting to the ancestors, and doing the things that are natural and are going to make you healthier, happier, and live a more fulfilled life. And if you have any natural remedies that you use, or you have any things that really make your home smell good, great, or natural things that you're doing, because this channel is all about reconnecting with nature, reconnecting with the Most High, remembering our crown, accessing our internal power through grounding, through meditation, through accessing the ancestors, and just living a beautiful, wonderful, amazing life, and crafting the life that we really want to have, and living the way that we want to live, freedom, whether that's here in the West or on the continent of Africa. As beautiful, amazing people, we have a choice, and we can do and access amazing power and do wonderful, amazing things. So let me know. All right, guys, so there we go. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of exploration, as we get to know ourselves better, get to love ourselves better, all right? Because that's what it's all about. Remember, you are amazing, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you are loved, you have everything in you to do everything that you need to do. You are powerful, you are blessed, you are rich, you are wealthy. You are. All right. I love you guys so much. You are amazing. You know why? Honey, baby, because you just are. Remember to unlock your power. Remember that you are enough, more than enough. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you in another video real soon. Bye-bye, guys. SYNOLVE signing off. I think that's it.